Recovering deleted messages on Google Wallet can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you retrieve those messages. Step 1. Check your Google account. Start by logging into your Google account associated with Google Wallet. Sometimes, messages may be stored in your account's activity or backup. Step 2. Access Google Wallet. Open the Google Wallet app on your device. Navigate to the Settings or Help section to see if there are any options for recovering deleted messages. Step 3. Review notifications. Look through your notifications in the Google Wallet app. Some messages may have been sent as notifications and can be accessed from there. Step 4. Contact customer support. If you cannot find the messages, consider reaching out to Google Wallet customer support. They may have additional methods to assist you in recovering your messages. Step 5. Check for backups. If you have backups enabled on your device, check if you can restore your device to previous state where the messages were still available. Be cautious as this may affect other data on your device. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your deleted messages on Google Wallet. If all else fails, keeping regular backups in the future can help prevent data loss.